Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and today I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to properly fluff a pine wreath. When you get a wreath like this, especially if you order one, online and, it's shipped to you, it's going to be all squashed down, the limbs are going to be bent. I mean, these wreaths are packed, a good many to a case. So when we take them out of the case, this is how they look. Once you get it, you'll need to fluff it. And the easiest way to do that is just take it and start on the outside. It works better, or for me anyway, if you start in one area and go all the way around the wreath. So just take some of the limbs and pull them straight to the outside. Now, any of the pieces that are bent and curled up, twisted, or anything like that, take just a moment to straighten those out. But work all the way around the wreath until you've got limbs pulled to the outside. Now, once you've done that, go back to the middle of the wreath and pull some of the limbs straight up. Again, you'll still have some that probably are curled up that need to be straightened up, but you really want to put your hands on each one of those little limbs to get the fullest impact of the wreath. So pull some up to the middle, and when you go all the way around that, then you're going to work your way back to the center of the wreath. So it's looking much better. So now you want to pull some of the limbs to the inside. And once you do that, you'll have your wreath all ready to decorate. We hope you'll visit us at trendytree.com. We have all kinds of wreath making supplies, ribbons, mesh, and seasonal decorations. So check us out. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.